Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to limit battery charge on Windows 11 in 2025. So first of all, you need to click on the Windows button and search for battery, and as you can see the best match is power sleep and battery settings. You have to just enter, and inside that you can see the option like the power, and as you can see here is three menu, just energy recommendation, screen and sleep, power mode, and you can just select power mode like best power efficiency. If in this mode the PC or the laptop will take lower power uh, to just make the PC usable, and in the balanced it will balance between everything, and for the best performance it will take consume more power and give you the best performance it can give. And after that, if you click on the screen and sleep option, you can select when plugged in, turn off my screen after 3 minutes. uh, like you can select it to 5 minutes, and when plugged in, put my device to sleep after 10 minutes. You can also do this to like 15 minutes, and you can just click on the energy recommendation. Here you can see set the power option. It took me to the first page, and here other options like put my device to sleep after 10 minutes, you can apply it. Turn off my screen after 3 minutes, you can also apply it. And lower your refresh rate to 60 Hz to conserve energy. If you select on that, you can just select on 60 Hz to consume less energy, and you can click on keep changes, and after that you can also check here that turn off my screensaver. You can also turn off your screensaver to consume less power, and you can just uh, select on more about efficiency mode for Microsoft Edge. That will show you on the browser that how much more about efficiency mode there are for in Microsoft Edge. So that's it for today. See you on the next video.